Startups are where the circular economy gets bold, fast, and real. They move quickly, test bravely, and build the future before the rest of the world catches up. Let's explore some of the most exciting circular startups to watch. These companies don't just reduce waste, they redesign the system. 1. Famsterdam, a smartphone built to last. Modular, repairable, ethically sourced, and transparently made. It's tech rethought from the ground up. 2. Growlin. Why buy gadgets when you can rent them? Grover offers electronics as a service, extending lifespans and slashing e-waste. Too good to go. Copenhagen. This app saves surplus food from restaurants and stores, letting users buy it at a discount instead of seeing it trashed. On4, London, a fashion company that makes bio-based fabrics, recycles old textiles, and tracks every material it uses. Circularity, stitched in. FA, Helsinki. They make reusable shipping packaging for e-commerce. Return it, reuse it, repeat. It's packaging without the waste. London. Packaging made from seaweed and plants, edible, compostable, and 100% plastic-free. Bump Mark. A bioreactive food label that changes texture when your food is no longer fresh. No guessing, no waste. Veviga Cider in Denmark, a baby clothing subscription service. As your child grows, you return clothes and get new sizes. Reuse made seamless. 9. Circularize. They're bringing blockchain to circularity. Their platform tracks materials and verifies claims across complex supply chains. Bifusion, USA. They compress plastic waste into building blocks, turning trash into durable modular construction materials. These startups span fashion, food, tech, construction, logistics, and digital infrastructure. What do they have in common? They design for longevity. They embrace sharing. They close the loop. And they're proving that circularity is not just sustainable, it's scalable. If you're building something circular, these are your peers. If you're investing in the future, this is your map. These are the circular startups to watch.